It is finally here. Let's take this inside. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering what this is, so I'm going to show you. This is my new fully carbon lip or wing, whatever you want to call it, for my BMW. This thing is pretty beautiful and we're going to be installing it today. Well, I made an oopsie and made the tape a little too close to the inside where it doesn't actually touch this corner of the trunk here. So I'm gonna have to go get more tape, and next time I'm gonna make sure I put it right along the edge here so that it'll stick and actually stay. All right, so a quick little pro tip when doing this, you can tape around the edges to have it so when you do finally tape it, you have all the edges already lined up with the tape on the edges. So now that we got some better tape, we are gonna do it. So right now we're actually heating up the surface with this little area heater. It's the best we got right now, so we're gonna make it work. Another thing I did to prep the surface was use rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol to clean off the surface. And as you can see, I have the tape running along the very edges of each side of this, so it will have a nice even stick.
Let's get it on, and then you can add heat to it there.
Alright, so after a lot of trial and error, we finally got it on thanks to the help of old Paul over here.
Old Paul.
So here is our final product on the BMW. We're letting it sit in the sun for a little bit so that the tape can really adhere and warm up just a little bit. And I haven't actually shown these anywhere, but I just got some new rear tires, and I actually got some pretty thick ones. They are the sidewall radius is 40 versus the front, which is 35. So these are a little bit thinner in the back, and it looks pretty sweet. We still have this stock ride height up here, so I'm gonna be getting this lowered soon, and probably get some wheel spacers to make it look real nice. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope this helped you in some way, and I hope you just enjoyed the content. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.